Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be showing y'all what I eat in a day. But okay, so I'm making myself a smoothie. I'm gonna do kale and kimchi, and this is all for my skin. It's just so it can be clear. Show y'all how I take this like a G. So that drink I made is actually really gross. So I'm gonna add some greens to make it taste better. Plus I drink these every day anyway, so. Yep. So for lunch, for lunch and dinner actually, I'm gonna make my dinner right now and just put it in the fridge. But I'm gonna cook this whole package. I'm gonna air fry it for like 5 minutes maybe. And I'm gonna use this whole bag too. And I'll show you how I mix it into a salad. And that's gonna be my lunch and my dinner. So I'm really busy. So my go-to for these vegan meals is frozen food, or like food that takes like 1 minute to like 5 minutes to make, because I'm just so busy. Like I don't have time to be like, no, I don't have time. I have time on the weekends, but and to be creative and stuff, but yeah, right now I don't really have time. So yeah, you're busy with school, with work, with everything, then this can be good for you. Make a tomato salad now, and I'm gonna add it.
So this is how I make my tomato salad. It's so easy. Yeah, so cut your tomatoes into little squares.
Okay. Ah, ¿quién te crees vos? Ya. Ay, perdón, me sigo olvidando. Bless you. So I just put half in there, so it's the tomato and the green onion. And I'm gonna put my funky avocado in there. I'm only gonna eat half of this avocado now. And when I get home later, I'm gonna eat the other half for dinner. I'm gonna season it with olive oil and black pepper. So yeah, I added some cholula. Ooh. And I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna eat this with a Celsius, cause the bomb. So yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna make my protein smoothie. Should've got on my tripod, okay. This is literally protein. It's so good. The best vegan protein ever. Bye-bye. All right, so this is how I make the smoothie. I'm gonna fill up half of the little blender thing. Fill it up to the half. I'm gonna add some shit up. Okay, I'm gonna add some don't fall. Got it. All right, some ice, maybe more, but I have no more. 2 scoops of this deliciousness. Ooh, goodness, this is so good, y'all. Like, ooh, that's not a full scoop. Okay, that's like a full scoop. Yeah, and then just drop it all over your counter. Oh, y'all, this so good, bro. So good. It's so good. So good. Smell it. Okay. It's so good. I'm so sad it's about to end. But you know, I'm about to order myself another tub. do that, like look, it's blending. Not blending, but it's, look. Oh, but I'm still gonna blend it. Oh, so good. All right, but yeah, that's what I'm gonna take to work today. Usually I would take some snacks. I mean, I'm probably gonna snack on some like, I'm gonna snack on like cuties and stuff. I'm gonna snack on like cuties and stuff while I'm at work. But yeah, taking my protein to work. It keeps me full for a while until I get home and I can eat my dinner.